Welcome! There is nothing quite like a hot, soft pretzel straight from the oven. Today, we are making 8 Bavarian-style pretzels. You will need 4 cups bread flour, 1½ cups warm water, 2¼ teaspoons instant yeast, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 teaspoons salt, and 4 tablespoons melted butter. For the bath, you will need 1/2 cup baking soda and 9 cups water. Finish with coarse pretzel salt.
Step 1. In a large bowl, combine the warm water, brown sugar, and yeast. Let it bloom for 5 minutes until foamy. Add the melted butter, flour, and salt. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes by hand or 6 minutes in a stand mixer until the dough is smooth, elastic, and pulls cleanly from the bowl.
Step 2. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover with a damp towel, and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 hour until doubled in size. The dough should feel pillowy and spring back slowly when poked.
Step 3. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and divide it into 8 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a long rope, about 22 inches long, with slightly thicker centers and tapered ends. Work steadily and do not flour your surface too heavily.
Step 4. Shape the classic pretzel. Form each rope into a U shape. Cross the ends over each other twice to create a twist. Then fold the twist down onto the bottom of the U. Press gently to seal. Place the shaped pretzels on a parchment-lined baking sheet.
Step 5. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Bring 9 cups of water to a rolling boil in a wide pot. Slowly whisk in 1/2 cup baking soda. The solution will fizz. This alkaline bath gives the pretzels their signature mahogany crust and distinctive flavor.
Step 6. One at a time, lower each pretzel into the simmering baking soda bath for 30 seconds. Use a slotted spatula to gently lift it out, letting excess water drip off. Return the bathed pretzel to the parchment-lined baking sheet.
Step 7. Immediately sprinkle each wet pretzel generously with coarse pretzel salt. The wet surface will hold the salt perfectly. With a sharp knife or razor blade, score a shallow line across the thickest part of each pretzel for classic appearance.
Step 8. Bake the pretzels at 450 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes until they are a deep mahogany brown. Rotate the pan halfway through for even color. The kitchen will fill with the unmistakable aroma of hot, fresh pretzels.
Final step. Transfer the hot pretzels to a wire rack and let them cool for just 5 minutes before serving. They are best eaten warm, with a side of spicy mustard or melted cheese sauce. The crust should crackle. The inside should be pillow soft. You have just made a perfect Bavarian pretzel. Enjoy!